Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the problem, which is that when you try to close a software or application in your computer, that software or application does not closes. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sajid Mantanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that I am trying to close the Photoshop software by hovering on the Photoshop logo in the taskbar and then clicking on the cross icon. But the Photoshop software is not closing. Viewers, you can also see that the YouTube application is running, but the Photoshop software is not closing. If I right click on the Photoshop logo in the taskbar and then click on the close window text, you will see that the Photoshop software will then also not close. You can see it. In your case, the software can be any other, but the process which I'm going to show you will work for all. So what you have to do is simply click on the search bar which is in the taskbar at the left side, and then you have to type their task manager, and then you have to click on the task manager text, and then what you have to do is find the software which is not closing. In my case it is Adobe Photoshop. You can see that its power usage is high. What you have to do is simply click on the software which is not closing, and then you have to click on the end task button which is at the bottom right side of the task manager. Then what will happen that software will stop running and it will close. You can see that the Photoshop software is now closed. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.